Schedule a complimentary consultation with Dr. Dunkley at Envision Cosmetic Surgery, 801-268-2650.
Welcome back, everybody, to Midday. I'm so excited to introduce you to a big fashion designer. Brandon Dwyer is sitting next to me, and supermodel Andy Muse joining as well. You two had a big shoot this weekend, but I want to tell you a little more about Brandon first. Has been on Project Runway Canada. That's been a couple years ago, but you've designed for Entertainment Tonight Canada. You've had your designs on MTV. If you've seen any red carpet, you've designed for people all over the world, and now you're living in Utah.
I am in Utah. I actually met my husband here. I was here for work. There was an outdoor retailer show exhibit. Came here, fell in love with my husband. He's in the military.
A lot of people fall in love here in Utah. So
well, it's a beautiful state. It's a beautiful state.
You're Canadian, and you've had so many designs and success there in that country. Why say, okay, I'm going to move here and try it here?
Have you seen my husband?
Roll the picture. Do we have one?
No, I don't think we do. But yeah, no, he couldn't get, he's stuck in the, not stuck, I should say, but he's in the Air Force. So we kind of had to follow his career.
Right. So what's next for you now that you're here?
Well, actually, I'm applying for Project Runway, so I decided to create some dresses, and we did a big shoot with Andy this past weekend.
This is one of your creations?
Yes, this is one of my recent
creations. Tell me what
creations.
Andy's wearing.
So it's a red chiffon gown with a new netting. So it had all the applique flowers with beading all throughout the bodice and the torso. It's just a really easy, flowy red carpet gown.
Well, and Andy, I'm sure you've worn things from many different designers. What makes this one different for you and stand out for you?
I mean, it's Brandon's dress and everything he does. I think you just feel super sexy. I'm naked, but I'm not naked. You know, you feel covered. It's just,
the flowers are all in the right places.
They're in the right places, yes. But it's just, you feel sexy in it. It's just nice.
See, and that's what you want, right? That's why you create clothing.
Well, Andy is my customer, so I mean, whenever I create a dress and she loves it, that means I'm doing something that obviously is right for my clientele.
And wearable, yeah.
Yeah, when you say it's a Brandon, what does that mean? What is his style?
If you knew our history together, that's a Brandon.
Oh my
There's so much to go in behind that.
Well, it's creative but classic. It's different.
Well, I've been working on doing a lot of hand detailing because in the past I've had about 5 seasons of labels, 2 different labels back in Canada, and obviously I had to worry about production and that kind of value in terms of what you can manufacture. Luckily, and I'm very fortunate to be able to do my hands-on detailing and couture garments. So right now I'm working on doing a lot of custom work.
How long does something like this take you to put together?
That took about 3 months to do.
Did it really?
Yes. Yeah. So I have a lot of patience.
Well, with Andy as your muse.
And his assistant, apparently.
And his assistant. It takes even less time.
She helped me.
When you're on a show like Project Runway, the pressure, I mean, it's so high. You're competing against other designers. Where do you find your creativity? Where do you find your ideas?
Well, when I was doing that, I mean, I was really new. I mean, I'd been sewing for about 3 years at that point. And my inspiration comes from music, which is really scary because you can't listen to music while you're on that show. So I kind of had to think of Andy and really see what she would want to wear, and obviously go with the challenges.
There's something out there. Is there a Brandon for anyone?
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, go to my website. I'm sure there's lots of gowns that you would love to wear. Maybe.
Right.
I hope.
And for our viewers, and maybe Andy, you weigh in too. How do you feel sexy in what you're wearing? How do you know what's right for you?
I think if it fits you right and flatters your body shape and just kind of gives you a sense of luxury.
Yeah. Good answer.
You would think so?
Yeah, I would think so.
Or maybe you need a Brandon just to light you up.
Well, that helps.
Absolutely gorgeous. Where can we see the pictures that you guys took over the weekend?
I think I sent them. No, we don't have them.
Well, we're gonna post them on our website. So please go there so you can see oh, there they are. The photo shoot.
Oh no, this is a different dress. This is a totally different one.
Beautifully so gorgeous. Goodforutah.com/midday. Everybody, that'll be right there. And hopefully Brandon will be back and have some designs for us. Will you come back on the show?
I would love to.
Good. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
We'll be right back. That's what my body was for.
You may think this crime only happens in Europe or Asia, but it's also taking place right here in our state.